Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, today I'm gonna guide you how you can change your profile picture on Facebook. For that, you'll need to install and update the Facebook app to access new features on the Facebook. Then just open the Facebook app. Once you open the Facebook app, on the top right corner you can see three line icon. Just tap on it. Then on the top you can see your profile option. Tap on it. Then from here, you can edit your profile. On the top, you can see the edit profile option. Just tap on it. Then on the top one, you can see the profile picture option. Tap on edit option. Then you can choose any photos from here. Suppose I choose this picture. Then tap on save. Then my profile picture has already been changed. So this was it guys. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. Thank you.